Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID and password. Sign in at Apple ID settings to ensure the account is active. Once done, check device software and iCloud storage usage because outdated OS or full storage blocks sync. Make sure you are on reliable Wi-Fi and temporarily disable VPN or proxy. These often interrupt authentication. You will now collect basic logs. Note recent error messages and the exact time they occurred so you can target fixes quickly and efficiently. Now we tackle sync errors directly by toggling the specific iCloud services off and on. Wait 30 to 60 seconds between toggles to let server state update. If that doesn't help, sign out of iCloud, restart the device, and sign back in. This refreshes authentication tokens and often resolves stuck queues. Also inspect keychain, contacts, and photos for conflicts or duplicates and reconcile them, because corrupted items can stop broader sync. Keep an eye on error codes shown in settings for targeted searches. To finish, apply pending OS updates and ensure iCloud has enough free space. Upgrading storage can immediately clear sync backlogs. Next, verify data directly on iCloud. COM and export important files to local backup. This confirms whether the issue is device-side or server-side. If the problem persists, back up your device and reset network settings, and only then consider a full device restore. This cleans deep configuration faults. Troubleshooting tip: keep a recent backup before resets so you can recover if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.